Hey guys, thank you for watching my online bass guitar lesson series, Let's Play That Bassline. In this series, I transcribed and arranged bassline into 1 minute. However, I retained the basic structure of the original track. So this is pretty much learning the original track, yet at the same time, you guys can have fun learning without spending weeks. Sound good, right? With that said, let's play that bassline. What's up everyone, I'm Jin from Jin's Bass Studio. In this channel, we have only one goal. That is to share knowledge about this instrument, the bass. I post content about bass lesson, gear review, pretty much anything about the bass guitar. So if you are one of those people who wants to explore the journey of learning bass guitar, please give a thumbing on that like button and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of our content. Alright, with that said, let's roll. This week, I chose 1969 Little Old Money Maker by the Meters album from Luca Pai. I was trying to get the New Orleans funk feel, but man, it's tough. The original bassist on this track is George Porter Jr. And I also want to shout out to the drummer, Zigaboo. Man, this combination is one and only dream set. They make everything sound so groovy and funky. As always, I put the link down on the description for you guys to check George Porter Jr. He's the OG of the New Orleans funk. By the way, talking about George Porter Jr., he's definitely playing a big role on this track. His rhythmic approach is just another level. With that said, as usual, of course, I also recorded a couple of 4-bar phrase bass line in slow tempo for those of you who want to have quick exercises. Especially when the bass line is rhythmically so complicated, playing in slow tempo would help you guys 100%. So let's jump into that video. Have you guys noticed? This week I included rest in between the bass lines. Of course, you can play the line without the rest, but the playing with the rest in between will definitely help you guys on reading and the precision of the notes. So if you can't play the line on the first try, including the rest in between and changing your play speed setting of the video that locates on the right hand corner of the screen will definitely help you guys. Alright, as always, it's time for me to share my 3 main pieces of advice when it comes to learning this bass line. First advice, sing your rhythm. Articulation, dynamics, and note length are very important factors to make this bass line feel good. So okay, how do we learn all this? One way is to articulate the bass line with your voice. Practicing an instrument is not all about playing the instrument. I strongly recommend when you see a complicated rhythm like this one, first put your instrument down and try to sing that line. By doing this, you can let your brain know exactly how the bass line goes. And this would help you to understand the rhythmic pattern of the bass line, as well as the articulation, dynamics, and note lengths. So if you are having a hard time grooving, sing first. Second advice, practice your backbeat. It's important to feel the downbeat in the funk music, but to feel the funky syncopated rhythm, you also got to feel the backbeat of the drum. So make sure to practice with your metronome on 2 and 4 as well, not just 1 and 3. Alright, advice 3. Get familiar with the money spot. Believe it or not, first 5 frets are the money spot on the bass. That's because first 5 frets are all you need to make the most records sound good. The reason is first 5 frets sounds richer and has fatter tone. And also, the open string makes the phrase naturally swung. And this slight swung feel makes the New Orleans funk feel so good. So if you can, try to play the phrase within the first 5 frets. Getting right New Orleans funk feel is just tough. But take your time and keep practicing. You got this. Make it funky. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. I will try to upload bass guitar content as much as I can. Thanks for the support. And if you guys liked any of our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our content. Alright, that's it for today's bass lesson. Play the bass. See you next time. Come on!